In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add drop shadow in Photoshop. Now this really works quite simple. It can work for your pictures and or fonts, really anything you want. So I'm just going to take this picture of Simba, and what you're going to do is you want to make sure you have it selected, and then just go up to the top menu bar where it says layer, and then go to layer style. This is going to give you all kinds of different options here. So I like to go to the option that I just want to use. So we're just going to click drop shadow. And what that's going to do is bring up a ton of different options for you. Now, this isn't the best quality PNG here, but you're going to be able to really make the drop shadow far away, really close. You can decide how clear and defined it's going to be. You can really kind of make it your own, change the angle of it if you want to, if you're messing with a light source. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to do it to this Gmail symbol as well. So I'm going to click this, go to layer, and then go to layer style. And we will just put a simple drop shadow on, and that will give us all kinds of different menus to work with. And I can make this really far, really close to it. It's up to you how you want it to look. Kind of faded, make it really clear and precise. You have blend modes. You can also lower the opacity of it to make it not as noticeable. So it's up to you what you want to do, but it has a lot of options. It works really well to create depth in your Photoshop file. And that's about it. So I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy tips in Photoshop.